ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय ईशावास्य उपनिषद टीका on page number 5, third line. So there is one pramana for a given object, vishaya. Other pramana, if it does not have the same vishaya, then it cannot prove it or disprove it. Like my ears cannot know the color, that it is yellow. So based on my ears, Shravanendriya, I cannot say this is yellow. Based on my Shravanendriya, I cannot say this is not yellow. See here. यथा इंद्रियांतरेण अनवगम्यमानमपि रूपम चक्षुषा अवगम्यमानं नापह्नुयते तथा ऐकात्म्यमपि नापह्नवम् अर्हम् इत्याह। नापह्नव अर्हम् इत्याह। इंद्रियांतरेण अनवगम्यमानम, through any other indriya, Atma Tattva is not known. Indriyantarena anavagamyamanam. So which is not known through other indriya, then anavagamyamanam api rupam. But chakshusha avagammyamanam. Eyes can see the rupam, other indriyas cannot see. So just because it is known only to one pramana, not available to other pramana, you don't reject it. You don't say this is not valid. Like that, Atma Aikatmya, Yathatmya, Karma Avinyuktatva is known through Upanishad Pramana. Vakya was Upanishad. Upanishad Pramana, through that it is known. Through Pratyakshadi Pramana it is not known. So just because it is known only through Upanishad Pramana, not known through other Pramana, therefore I will reject it. You should not say. Just like Rupa is known only to one Indriya. But you don't reject it, you accept it as valid. Now he gives, so apahnava, na apahnava arham. It is not, it does not deserve to be rejected. Ityaha Gitanam iti, in Bhashya. Gitanam moksha dharmanam cha aivam paratvat. Bhagavad Gita is also in that same page. Bhagavad Gita is also moksha dharma. Gitanam moksha dharmanam. So Bhagavad Gita, let's see, Gitanam is given. Gitanam means Shashti Bahuvajana. How many Gitas are there? Only one Bhagavad Gita. But all shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, they have moksha dharma paratvam, atma aikatmyam. They all are talking about one atma. Evam paratvat. Where he gives example. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameshwaram vinashyatsva vinashyantam ya pashyati sapashyati. Sarveshu bhuteshu, in all beings. Samam, what is sama? Parameshwaram tishtantam, that Paramatma which is there, and is also avinashyantam vinashyatsu. In all the vinashi things, he is the avinashi. Vinashyatsu avinashyantam yaha pashyati saha pashyati. Only he sees the right thing. Means this is what is taught. If somebody sees this, then only they have right knowledge. Iti ityadi gitanam. See now, ityadi gitanam. All of you can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Because the internet is not very good, but whatever you can, you use it. एक एव हि भूतात्मा भूते भूते व्यवस्थितः एकधा बहुधा चैव दृश्यते जलचंद्रवत् इत्यादि मोक्षशास्त्राणां च ऐकात्म्य परत्वात् इत्यर्थः. And also this kind of shlok, this mantra is there. Where is this mantra from? Amrita Bindu Upanishad. Eka eva hi bhutatma bhute bhute vyavasthitaha. One Atma is there in all beings. So this is the main thing. You see, quoting the right shloka. What we want to do, Pratipadanam, one Atma. From Gita, so many shlokas, one shloka he took. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishthantam. And eka eva hi bhutatma bhute bhute vyavasthita. And that ekadha bahudha chaiva drishyate. He alone appears as one in one way or in many ways. Like Jalachandravat, like the Chandra in Jala, in the Pratibimba in Jalam. Ekadha and Bahudha. Ekadha means if you take as Ekajivavada, and Bahudha means Bahujivavada, or you take Bimba alone as Ekadha, and if you take Pratibimba then Bahudha in this way. Ityadi moksha shastranam cha aikatmya paratvat. They all are also aikatmya parashastra. They all reveal Jiva Brahma Aikya. Yadi etadrisham atmattatvam tarhi niradhikaritvat karmakandam uchchidyeta iti api nashankaniyam. Next page, yeah. Yadi etadrisham atmattatvam. Somebody says if this is the nature of Atma, then niradhikaritvat, who will be the adhikari of this? So now you see, mentally you should think this way. He has already completed talking about Vishaya in Anubandha Chatushtaya. Now he is coming to adhikari. We have to immediately get what is being said there. Okay. Niradhikaritvat karma kandam uchchidyeta. Karma kanda will not be there. Why? Because if there is only one Atma. In karma kanda, everybody is there, different karta is there. Here there is only one karta. If you say there is one karta, na punyam, na papam, then who will do karma kanda? Anyway, people don't want to do. They hear just Tattva Bodha and they stop going to temple, stop doing. I am Brahma. I am Brahma. So there is no adhikari, so karma kanda will go in Bhashya, tasmat आत्मनो अनेकत्व कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वादि च अशुद्धत्व पापविद्धत्वादि च उपादाय लोकबुद्धि संधिम लोकबुद्धि सिद्धम कर्माणि विहितानि। आत्मनः अनेकत्व कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व लोकबुद्धि सिद्धम, दिस इज सिद्ध इन the buddhi of people, loka buddhi siddham. What? That there are many atmas, that atma is karta, bhokta. Even though Shastra doesn't want to accept, but this is loka buddhi siddham. Anekatva, kartritva, bhoktritva and ashuddhatva, papaviddhatva ityadi. Upadaya loka buddhi siddham karmani vihitani. So karmas are prescribed accordingly. Further in Tika, Upanishad आत्म याथात्म्य विज्ञानवतः इष्यते एव कर्मकांडा प्रामाण्यम। Upanishad Atma Yathatmya Vijnanavataha. Which vibhakti is this? Shashti. Upanishad Atma Yathatmya Vijnanavataha. Person who has studied Upanishad and has gained the knowledge what is the nature of Atma. Atma is one, Shuddha, Apapaviddha, Akarta, Abhokta, Sarvagata ityadi. Ishyateva Karmakanda Apramanyam. For that person, Karmakanda is not Pramana anymore. For that person it is true. Yatha न हिंस्यात् सर्वाभूतानि इति निषेध शास्त्रार्थ निश्चयवतः इष्यते व श्येनादि विधि अप्रामाण्यम। Just as person who knows न हिंस्यात् सर्वाभूतानि, that don't kill anybody, don't hurt anybody, न हिंस्यात् सर्वाभूतानि, this निषेध शास्त्रार्थ निश्चय person who has, for that person श्येनादि विधि अप्रामाण्यम इष्यते. श्येनादि विधि is Shyena Yaga. Anybody remembers from Sarvaveda from Sankshep Shariraka? No. Shyena Yaga is Shatru Marana. If you have an enemy, you do Shyena Yaga to destroy that Shatru. So that is out of anger. When that person is told, don't hurt anybody, then that person will not do any hinsa. They will never take any weapon in their hand. Weapon does not mean guns and all. They will not take anything to hurt the other person. If they have heard this Vakya, न हिंस्यात् सर्वाभूतानि, even Shyena Yaga, which is given in Veda, will become apramanika for them. Yathacha तीव्र क्रोधाक्रांत स्वांतम प्रत्येव श्येनादि विधि प्रामाण्यम तथा मिथ्यात्मदर्शिनम प्रत्येव कर्म विधि प्रामाण्यम इत्यर्थः. person who is so much overpowered by strong anger. Understand? Tivra krodha, krodhanta swantam. Swantam means antakaranam. So much anger is there. That person only will do Shayana Yaga. That person will see Shayana Yaga as Pramanika. Not the person who has Shama, Dama, ityadi. In the same way, Mithyatma Darshinam Prati eva Karma Vidhi Pramanyam. Person who is seeing Atma as Karta Bhokta, is seeing the Papa Vidhatva, Shuddhatva ityadi as in oneself also. For that person, then Karma Vidhi Pramanika. That person will say, yes, we should do this karma, that karma. Not person who has gained jnanam, not the person who is Brahmajnani. Atra Jaimini Prabhritinam Sammatim Aha. Now, Jaimini Maharshiji's Sammati, Prabhritinam means Prabhritinam means starting from. Prabhriti means starting from Jaimini Maharshiji onwards. Other Mimamsaka. Jaimini Maharshiji was the first Mimamsaka Acharya. Everybody else also, their sammati is there. Sammatim aha. Bhashya. Yo hi karma phalenarthi. Previous phrase, right? Yes. Yo hi karma phalenarthi. Drishtena. Brahma varchasadina. Adrishtena. Swargadina cha. Dvijatiraham. Na kana kubjatvadi anadhikara prayojaka dharmavan. Iti atmanam manyate. The one who is karma phalena arthi. One who is interested in some karma phala. Karma phalena arthi. Drishtena brahmavarchasadina. Sorry. So you have to put comma after drishtena. Karma phalena arthi drishtena. Brahmavarchasadina. Sorry. After Brahmavarchasadina, you put comma. Yeah, that is right. Karma phalena arthi. Drishtena Brahmavarchasadina. Adrishtena Swargadina cha. Brahmavarchas is drishta phalam. Actually, it is not karma phala, but we will have to explain that. Because karma phalena arthi. Drishtena Brahmavarchasadina. Adrishtena Swargadina. So, adrishta punya will give me swarga. And that swarga phala is adrishta phalam. Brahma varchas is drishta phalam. Brahma varchas is drishta phalam. Drishta phalam means I will get it right here. Swarga is there later. So that's why it is adrishta. It is not available here. Anything that is available in other loka, in other sharira, is all adrishta phalam. Drishta phalam is now, for example, if I eat food, immediately stomach is full. This is drishta phalam. So, karma phalena arthi means somebody who is there who wants a karma phala. Whatever karma they do, Brahmavarchas is not directly karma phalam. Brahmavarchas will be indirectly karma phala means your yajna dana tapa will help you in vividisha. What is the mantra? तमेतं वेदानुवचनेन ब्राह्मणाः विविदिशन्ति यज्ञेन दानेन तपसा अनाशकेन. स्वर्गादिना च द्विजातिरहं न काणकुब्जत्वादि अनधिकार प्रयोजक धर्मवान इति आत्मानं मन्यते. So is somebody who understands that I am dvijati and I am not kana, means one-eyed, kubja. Kubja means hunchback. Kana, kubja, tvadi, anadhika, they all are anadhikara prayojaka. If somebody is not dvijati, means somebody has not taken yajnopavit sanskara. Let's say somebody has done sanskara and that yajnopavit is hanging. That person is not allowed to do yajna. No yajna karya. Forget yajna karya. That person, even when they do achamanam, that time itself that person will be asked, do you have Janevu or not? If he said no, stop, move aside, anadhikara. And kana kubja ityadi means if the person is one-eyed, any defect is there, karma kanda says he is not adhikari in karma. So people think those who are not adhikari for karma, they are adhikari for Vedanta. Actually, if they are not adhikari for karma kanda, they are also not adhikari for Brahma Vidya. That topic is discussed in Brahadaranyaka Bhashya. So Maharaj Ji mentions that they are anadhikari. According to Shastra, they are not allowed. If somebody has, like their wife has passed away, they are Vidura. So Vidura, because if they have to do karma, they need wife. If wife is not there in Vidura, either you get married or you take sannyasa. If you want to do karma, you get married. If you want sannyasa, then you take sannyasa and then you don't have to do karma. Kana kubjatvadi anadhik, they all are anadhikara prayojaka dharma. Anadhikara prayojaka dharmavan iti atmanam yo na manyate. That I don't have kanatva, kubjatva ityadi. So adhikriyate karmasu. Only that person is entitled for karma. Iti hi adhikara vido vadanti. Now you see, these are Bhashyakar's words. So one should not say, oh, that person is very biased. Oh, that person, Bhashyakar himself has said this. Like in Brahadaranyaka Bhashya, Bhashyakar himself has said that sannyasa adhikar only Brahmana has, according to him. Now, if some later Acharya has said some other thing, that is that Acharya's view. Bhashyakara's view is this. So, like he says here, adhikar vidaha, if somebody is kana, kubja, ityadi, that person is not entitled. He says, like that, knowers of adhikara, they say such things. टीका अर्थित्वादि युक्तस्य कर्मणि अधिकारः षष्ठे अध्याये प्रतिष्ठापितः अर्थित्वादि युक्तस्य कर्मणि अधिकारः, दे हैव अधिकार इन कर्म. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी अर्थित्वादि अत्र वदन्ति अर्थी दक्षो द्विजोहम बुधः इति मतिमान् कर्मसु उक्तो अधिकारी इत्यादि. अर्थी दक्षः द्विजः and buddha. Buddha means wise. Daksha means expert. Arthi means the one who has ichha. He is karma adhikari. The person who says I want putra, he will do putra kameshti yajna. The person who says I want swarga, he will do swarga yaga. Person who says I want pashu, he will do pashu yaga. So if somebody says I don't want pashu, then you will not be adhikari. Like when our bhandara tickets are given, our kothari, so somebody says I don't want to go for bhandara, then he is not adhikari. And the person who wants to go, then he will go and stand there, he will get a ticket. So we have some Mahatmas, they don't want to go. And we have some Mahatmas who want to go. It is always. So who wants to go to Swarga? So there are adhikaris. Why? Because they are arthi. Arthi, samarthi, vidwan. Shastrena paryudastaha. He should be arthi, means he should have desire. Samarthi means you should be capable. Capable means you should have money to pay Ritvik. You should have Ritviks who know all those mantras. So you say, I want to go to Swarga. Only some priest can chant those mantras. You say, this person, I have studied only Pancha Sukta in Mantra Pushpam. I am a priest. Bole, you go. That priest is useless priest as far as going to Swarga is concerned. So samartha means not only because I have lot of money. I should be able to invite such priests who are thoroughly capable of doing all these things. Arthi, samarthi, vidwan. And that person also should have some knowledge of what is, when the priest says, do achamanam, and priest is looking somewhere else, and you say, achamanam means they drink water, so we take the cup and drink water? No. So if that person doesn't know even this much, and he say, akshatan samarpayami, then he doesn't translate. So then you have to know akshatan means what you have to offer, and with which hand. Akshatan samarpayami. They say you are not capable. Shashthe Adhyaya Pratisthapitah. What is Shashtha Adhyaya? Shashtha Adhyaya of Bhagavad Gita or Chandogya Upanishad. In Chandogya Upanishad, 6th chapter, Karmani Adhikara was discussed.
No, sir.
Then what? No.
What Gita says?
Bhagavad Gita?
Yes, sir.
No. Shashtha Adhyaya is in Jaimini Sutra. Karmani Adhikara topic will be in Jaimini Maharshi's topic. So in Brahma Sutra, there are 4 adhyayas. In Mimamsa Sutra, there are 12. 6th chapter talks about this topic. See, that's why those people who don't have much idea of Mimamsa or this Tarka and all, they don't teach Anand Giriji's Tika. They don't enter because you know it is going to refer to some Mimamsa Sutra. Some, it will say there is Anaikantikatva dosha. Now you will wonder what is this anaikantika. The best is you just skip this. That is good. They will say only, and in Bhashya not many of these things come. Arthitwadi cha mithya jnana nidanam. Arthitwadi is mithya jnana nidanam. Nidanam means karanam. Arthitva, samarthitva, etc. is mithya jnana. This is for कर्तृत्व, भोक्तृत्व, आत्म अनेकत्व, अशुद्धत्व, पाप विद्धत्व, एक्सेट्रा. नहीं, you understood this line, everybody? Arthi, Samarthi, Vidwan, etc. is starting with the mithyatva. Atmanaha mithyatva. I am taking ahankar as myself. Then that ahankar is arthi. Ahankar is samarthi. So this is mithya jnana. This is all wrong. Nidanam means karanam. Mithya jnanam nidanam arthitvadinam. Mithya jnanam is the moola karanam. Nahi nabhovat nishkriyasya swata eva dukkha asansarginah परमानंद स्वभावस्य सुखम में स्यात् दुखम में मा भूत इति अर्थित्वम शरीरेन्द्रिय सामर्थ्येन च समर्थोहम इति अभिमानित्वम मिथ्या ज्ञानम विना संभवति इत्यर्थः. Today some people had come to meet. One person has done 2 Vedanta courses. And that person means you can see if a person has not thoroughly studied Shastra, after one time study, they have not one time, 2 times study also, vague knowledge. They are not clear about Shastra. This line you see, nahi nabhovat nishkriyasya so person who is nishkriya, okay, can you see me?
Yes.
Okay, then I'll close this. But you cannot, can you see me clearly? Because I cannot see myself anyway. Okay, now you can see me. You can hear me at least. Can you hear me? Yes.
Half face only.
Half face.
No face. Only Bhashyakara you
No,
can see.
half.
Now,
Bhashyakara is there.
But that is enough. You don't have to see me. See the line in the Tika. Nahi nabhovad nishkriyasya swata eva dukkha sansarginaha. Atma does not have dukkha sansarga. Dukkha asansarginaha nabhovad nishkriyasya. And like Akasha, I am actionless. Nishkriya. Dukkha asansargi. For such a person, this thought will never come, sukham me syat, dukham me ma bhut. That may I be happy, may I not have sorrow. Why this thought will not be there? Because I am already knower that I am Atma. person who thinks I am ahankara will entertain this thought, may I have sukham, may I not have dukkham. If I already know, and my nature is paramananda swabhavasya, sukham me syad, dukham me ma bhut, iti arthitvam, this kind of arthitvam, and sharira indriya samarthyena cha samarthoham, I am arthi, samarthi, this kind of abhimanitvam mithya jnanam vina na sambhavati. Mithya jnanam is not possible, such kind of thought is not possible if I did not have mithya jnanam. Means, unless I took myself as ahankara. Oh, this is why it was blocking. Unless my jnanam is I am ahankara, I will not do karma. I will not entertain desire, may I have sukham, may I not have dukkham. So, any karma kanda requires first mistake, that I am deluded about my nature of Atma. Otherwise, I will not do. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.